G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm going to be making a delicious lamb burger, inspired by one that I had at Grilled. It's an absolute beauty and easy to make. Let me show you the ingredients I'm using today. Well, for this, all I'm using is some lamb mince. I've got some mayonnaise, tomato relish, some lettuce. I've got some roasted capsicum peppers here, some mint, onion, tomato, a bread roll, and here I've got some goat's cheese, the spreadable one. And you'll also need some butter. Did you know that butter is the fruit of a cow? And it's sustainable. Now I've only got a few things I need to cut up. One of them is we just need some rings of onion. That should be enough. And I'll need some slices of tomato as well. That should be enough. And you'll need a bread roll too. I'll cut this one in half. That won't be enough because what it's missing is some butter. So we'll just sprinkle some butter on here and on here. Oh yeah. And I'm just going to be cooking it in the frying pan today. I've had this warming up. I'll just... Oh! Why do I keep doing that? Anyway, I just want to toast the bread a little bit. It'll have a little bit of a golden colour on it. Alright, well let's see how that's going. Oh yeah? That's good enough. Right, so I'll take that off. And here I have got my lamb mince. Now I'll just give this a quick bit of lubrication. And well, for the lamb mince I probably want, well, as much as you want really. Just pull that out. Compact it a little. And then stick that on there. Give it a push down. Squeeze it out because once you let it go, it's going to bounce back. So if you hold it down for a bit, it shouldn't bounce back as much. Now the lamb is a very fatty meat, so there's going to be a lot of fat that comes out, but I'll stick on some salt and pepper. And because it is such a fatty meat, I'm going to put the lid on here to stop my whole kitchen filling up with lamb fat smoke, because it can get a little bit smelly and overpowering sometimes. Anyway, while that's cooking, I've just got some things to do to that bread roll. So on the bottom bun, I'm going to put some mayonnaise and also some tomato relish. I'm putting quite a bit. I'll spread that out. And on top of that, I'll put some lettuce, even though these bags of lettuce are usually full of spinach. That's all right, spinach makes you big and strong. Next, I'll add some tomato. I'll pop the insides out of this onion. Only needed one in the end. And I've got the roasted capsicum peppers here. I'll stick some of those on. You can be quite generous with those peppers. But I better come back and check out this meat patty. Whoa! Wow, look at all those juices pouring out. I told you lamb is a very fatty meat. Give that a flip. And I'll keep making this burger because on the top bun here, we want to put the goat's cheese. Spread that on. I love this stuff. It's great if you got like rice crackers and you use that as a dip. Oh mate, it is so good. And then onto here, we want to put our mint leaves. You can be quite generous with the mint. It actually tastes pretty good. Sometimes the mint is very mild tasting. You can get really strong mints and you can get really mild mint. This one's pretty mild. We just put that on top. And by now, my lamb burger patty should be done. You can see all the oil that came out. And that lamb patty goes on top of the peppers there. And now it's just a matter of putting the top bun on top. And there you have it. A super simple, quick and easy, grilled inspired lamb burger. Oh yeah. Come at me. Oh. Wow. I think this one tastes even better than the grilled version. Well, there you go, another hamburger to try at home, a lamb burger. It's the first one I've ever cooked, and it tastes really great. I hope this video helps you with your cooking in the kitchen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I cook something up. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the food